Meet the kakapo, a bizarre, beautiful and totally flightless parrot from New Zealand that can live for over 90 years. It's the world's heaviest parrot, weighing up to 9 pounds. It can't fly, but it can climb trees and glide back down. It only breeds every 2 to 4 years, and with a lifespan exceeding 90 years, it's one of the longest living birds on the entire planet. The kakapo has survived on this earth for millions of years. Proof that you don't need wings to be truly extraordinary. Nature really does save the best for last.